Good day, my little Robins. It's me, Beth. Another week has passed, which means you get another video from, well, me here on this channel. And if you haven't already read the title, yes, I'm bringing you another YumeTwins unboxing. I am bringing you the September 2020 unboxing. I still have yet to get my July box. I've already done the June one, which I released in August. Hopefully I get July soon, but they sent me September. It's September. It makes sense, you know, to unbox it for you guys. Before we begin, if you want to support me and the channel in the future, you can by clicking like to show me some love. You can click subscribe and tap that bell to be notified of when I upload on this channel. Enough rambling, let's just dive straight into YumeTwins unboxing. Right, I opened the box and this theme is crafty and cute. Yeah, actually this is an order that I forgot to skip, so I actually have no idea what the theme is. But saying arts and crafts, I'm looking at the little booklet that tells you what is in the box, and it looks like there is some crafty supplies, but also some Sanrio collaboration, and you can never go wrong with a bit of Sanrio, so yeah, let's just dive into the box. The first item is this thing, which I'm going to have to get the booklet out. This is a Sanrio or Sanex cooling mesh cushion. It's always good for your creative spirit to take breaks. Okay, it's made with mesh fabric, so it's a cushion, stays cold to the touch, so you can cuddle it. You can put it behind your back when you're sitting at, you know, you're on your chair at your desk. I'm just going to, you know, open it up. I'm not going to talk because this makes a very bad sound. And I'm back. I took it out of the wrapping. It is actually really, yeah, I'm not normally a fan of like mesh material, but okay, it's actually pretty comfy. Okay, it makes a nice cushion. I can see what they mean about putting it behind your back when you're sitting on your desk. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I have no idea who this character is. It's got a little belly. So if you can tell me the character, wait, there's a label. Okay, it says Sanex, so it's not a Sanrio character. Sumiko Gurashi is what it's saying on the label. I probably pronounced that wrong because I'm English trying to pronounce something in Japanese. It's really cute. And I was actually really surprised that it fit in this box, but what I'm getting from YumeTwins is they will fit a lot of bang for your buck. I am definitely going to use this most likely on my computer chair when I'm sitting at my desk because my back does kind of hurt, my lower back. Okay, it's cute. So yeah, tell me in the comments if you know this character. Up next, we have a petite DIY supplies container, and as you can see, it's My Neighbor Totoro, which is actually I actually really like this because you could get a Hello Kitty one, this one, or another one, and this kind of goes really well with, I believe it was the June box, which actually was like Studio Ghibli filmed, and I got quite a bit of like Totoro merch. This is actually really like cute, just like a little box you can put supplies in. It is probably gonna, you know, sit on my desk. It's got little cute designs on the side. I like the green and the gold. It's very much my colour. Okay, I'm really happy with that because it goes with a previous theme from a previous box. Next up, we have a foldable protractor ruler, and what it means by protractor, this little thing, so it goes from 15 centimeters to a 30 centimeter ruler. This would have been really cool, you know, if I was still in school, because I definitely would have added it to my pencil case. I do like the protractor thing here because it's like yeah. I don't really measure things nowadays, but it'll be cute. It won't fit in this, but you know, I'll put it in my drawer, my desk drawer, because I do have some stationery. It's just cute. It's like blue, greens, purples. This is a really good idea, especially since it's coming up to back to school. So I guess you could have used this if you'd got this box before going back to school. The second to last item is a Sanrio sewing kit. I believe I've got the little twin star characters. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I probably haven't even done any sewing since primary school. That's a lie. First couple of years of high school, but we mainly did sewing on machines. We didn't do it by hand, so this is going to be really interesting. I probably haven't like stitched anything by hand since primary school, but I used a sewing machine in high school. I wasn't very good at it. I'm not very good at arts and crafts, but this is kind of cute, so you know, I might give it a go. It's got like a little key ring. You can see on the back, so you can hang it. If I do this, I'll hang it up. Oh god, I am definitely going to prick my finger. I am not very arts and crafty. Just ask anyone who knows me. And the last item in the box is a pair of collapsible pocket scissors. Now, when I first saw this, let me take it out of the box, I thought, okay, maybe it's a pen. It's the exact same colour scheme as the ruler. And I was like, how is this a pair of scissors? And then, there we go. You take the lid off, and you've got scissors. I actually think these are pretty adorable, and like this, it's definitely something like unique, like stationery wise. I don't think you would get something like this in England, or I never personally saw anything like this. I just think it's adorable because it's like, wow, you want some scissors? I've got scissors. Yeah, this is definitely going to go in the stationery box next to the ruler, but I probably use this more because I do cut up paper, especially when I'm doing orders, when I'm shipping things out on Depop. I like to cut the labels to size. It's cute, it's compact, it's not too heavy, and I guess if this was just stood on like a desk, you wouldn't think it was a pair of scissors. At first I thought it's a pen, maybe some lipstick, which would have made no sense. A pen would have made sense because you probably can get pens this small because you could still write with it. But no, it's a pair of scissors. And that is how you do crafty and cute. So there we have it, guys and girls of the internet. That was just the September YumeTwins unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. As I said back in August when I did the June box, when you do the monthly subscriptions that I do, you can pick and choose to skip months if you do not like the theme. I am still waiting on my July box, which, you know, still hasn't arrived. I've got June, September, I just need July. I have actually decided to skip the October box because yes, it's Halloween, it's my favourite time of month, but I wasn't actually a fan of the theme and some of the items that were going to be in the box. So with a monthly subscription, you probably do it with any subscription. You can skip a month, but definitely with the monthly one, you can skip months if a theme doesn't interest you, which is very good, especially for a subscription plan when you get the choice if you want to continue. But if you don't want to continue after a month, just make sure that you unsubscribe because they will charge you and they will catch you unawares, which is how they did me in with the September box. But there were some really like cute items, like I've already said, I don't know who this guy is, but he's adorable and squishy and I like him. Yeah, he's probably my favourite thing in the box after those like scissors. Yeah, in the comments below, if you guys have if you had the box, did you get any different items, did you get a different plushie, did you get a different colour like scissors, ruler, did you get like a different pot, did you get a different sewing kit? Comments is the place to go. Or if you just like cute, like kawaii Japanese culture, then you know the comments is the place to go because let's start a conversation. Let's just wrap up this video before I continue to ramble. If you want to support me and the channel in the future, you can by clicking like to show me some love. You can click subscribe and tap that bell to be notified of when I upload on this channel. At the end of this video, you can check out my last 2 videos or playlist depending on what mood I'm in when I'm editing this. Oh, I'm gonna go sit on him now because why not? Until next time, I'm Beth. Goodbye.